Athens is my favorite city in the whole wide world. It's full of bars and coffee shops and galleries and ruins all over the place. First thing I do when I get off the plane is have this, chicken skewers with a yogurt sauce, or souvlaki and tzatziki. And watch this. Look at all that juice. Isn't that crazy from one cucumber? And see all this juice? I don't throw it away. I save it for gin and tonic or lemonade. And now for the Greek yogurt. It's creamy, it's tart, and it's super thick. That's what makes it special. And here's the thing with us Greeks. We love our garlic. So if you think you've put too much garlic, just add a little bit more. And here's a tip. When I have garlic breath, mint. I just pop a little bit in my mouth. Minty fresh. And here's another herb that I love, fresh dill. It just reminds me of summer. And sometimes I love to use lemon to brighten up the flavors even more. And we Greeks love our olive oil. Finally, a little bit of salt. Smells so fresh. Creamy and tangy. This is Greece in a bowl. Check this out. My chicken's been marinating in a little bit of olive oil, garlic, lemon, and oregano. Souvlaki is the street food of Athens. Whether it's lunchtime or 4 in the morning after a party, this is the go-to. I like to soak my skewers in a little bit of water so that they don't burn when I put them on the grill. And I don't like to waste any of this marinade. Oh yeah, my chicken's done. And now I'm just gonna grill up some pita to get some fancy char marks in there, and it's also gonna make them extra tasty. Oh yeah. All right, let's build this just like they do in Athens. I'm gonna scoop up some tzatziki. I like a lot of it on my pita. Tomato's gonna make it fresh. And a little crunchy red onion. I'm gonna top it with some earthy oregano and a little smoky paprika. It's really rich and full of freshness, and the chicken is perfectly tender and juicy. And that garlicky, but really aromatic tzatziki just ties it all so well together. I'm transported right now.